Disclaimer, no outro today. Let's watch this fireworks. Yeah, you. I swear to God, there were fireworks here. I think they ran out of fireworks, I think. I probably just lined it up. But hey, happy Independence Day. It is July 4th. And I'm a bit sick. Like, what, kind of sick? P.S. I'm not going to Valley Park because I don't feel like going to Jupiter Valley Park. I don't feel like walking to Jupiter Valley Park. I don't want to take the bus. Not car. I don't want to go anywhere. I'm just staying at my house. Where's the fireworks? Where's the fireworks? And don't ask why am I in the storage room. Because yes, I like it in there when I'm in the storage room. Nothing actually happening. There's just fireworks nearby. One of the neighbors or something. I started to clear the scene like, what, 25 seconds ago? I was just putting this so y'all can look at the fireworks. Because it's Independence Day, you know, it's July 4th. IRL, it looks dark. But in this iPad, it looks blue for some reason. It looks blue. Holy crap, that was near me. And sorry for swearing. I swear to God, if I put this on kids, I won't. I swear to God, if we put this on kids, just like this. I can use some fireworks here, boy. I think I'm wasting. I think I'm wasting storage. That was epic. That was an epic. That was so epic, like for real, for real. Any more fireworks? Where are the fireworks? I don't see no fireworks. Where's the fireworks? Where's the fireworks? Don't ask why I was checking my iPad. And yes, I do upload on this free all iPad. See here, this is like a thing. I missed one. Oh crap. I didn't notice I missed one. 5 minutes remain for YouTube today. Wow, why this notification right now? I'm not even using YouTube, to be honest. Epic! Any more things? Was that a bird? I know I'm gonna end the video here. Happy Independence Day. See y'all later. machine. I don't like why turning grass in the background. Please don't copyright me, please. I'm begging you.